Hi guys, today I'm going to make you roasted broccoli with roasted garlic and lemons. As you can see, there are just 3 ingredients and they're all roasted for maximum flavor. We'll also need olive oil, salt, and pepper. Fresh parsley is optional. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The lemons and garlic will take longer to roast than the broccoli. Cut the lemons in half. Pour some olive oil into a baking dish. Rub the lemons all over. Put them cut side down and sprinkle a little salt over them. Put the pan into the heated 425 degree oven until the lemons are soft and golden brown. It should take about 45 minutes. For the whole head of garlic, cut the top off so that the cloves are exposed. Put a little olive oil on top. I'm going to put this on the same baking sheet that I'll use to roast the broccoli. Put this in the heated oven with the lemons. The lemons and garlic should take about 45 minutes. I set the timer to 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes are up, I put the broccoli in. The broccoli should take about 20 minutes to cook. I've washed the broccoli heads. Go around the head of the broccoli and cut the florets off. I like to split the bigger pieces in half. The smaller ones you can leave as is. Put the broccoli into a big bowl. We'll toss it with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then put it straight onto the baking sheet. Usually when I'm roasting vegetables, I just put the vegetables straight onto the cold baking sheet and toss it with spices and olive oil right in the sheet. But since we have the garlic already cooking on the baking sheet will be very hot. So we'll toss the broccoli with olive oil, salt, and pepper in a bowl and just put it right onto the baking tray. Olive oil, ground black pepper, and coarse salt. Toss it well. Take the hot baking tray out of the oven. I like to put the broccoli cut side down so it stays flat. Put them in a single layer. They can go back into the oven for about 20 minutes. I just want to show you how the lemons look after 25 minutes. You can see all the juices in the dish and they're starting to turn golden brown. It smells amazing. They'll finish cooking in the oven for about 20 minutes with the garlic and broccoli. See, it's nice and golden. It's cooked perfectly. You can see the garlic is caramelized. It's very soft, but it's too hot to handle right now, so we'll leave it alone for a few minutes. And then we'll squeeze the cloves out. And here are the lemons. They're golden brown on the outside. They're completely soft. These lemons are going to make a delicious dressing for the broccoli. Roasting gives these lemons a much deeper flavor, really different from just using fresh lemon juice. Squeeze the garlic out. That's a lot of roasted garlic. Squeeze all the pulp directly into the bowl with the garlic. Make sure you remove the seeds. Just use a spoon to scrape out all the pulp. I'm using the whole head of garlic and 1 lemon. I roasted 2 lemons because I didn't want to just roast one. It's going to be a long time that you spent roasting, so you might as well roast 2. And you can always use the other one for a different dressing. How much lemon you need really depends on the size of the lemons you're roasting. My lemons were really big, so I just used 1. After you squeeze 1 lemon's pulp into the garlic, mix it and taste it. And add more lemon if you need to. A little salt, a little pepper, little bit of olive oil, and some of the lemon juice from the pan. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper if you need to. You can't always control how tart your lemons are going to be, so it's best to taste and add a little bit of honey if you need to balance out the acidity. If you're using parsley, you can add it. Set aside a little bit of the dressing. I don't think we'll need the whole thing since I'm only using a little over a pound of the broccoli. Broccoli is not my favorite vegetable, so I don't like to make too much of it at once. Put the broccoli in and toss gently. If you want to use up the whole dressing, roast 2 pounds of broccoli. Since you're spending almost an hour roasting the lemons and garlic, it's always better to roast a larger amount and save that for later use. The 1 lemon that I have left and all the yummy juices I'm gonna save and make a nice healthy dressing for salad. The broccoli tastes so good with the roasted lemon and garlic. Even people who don't like broccoli will love this recipe.